Hello, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the Arrows VIPER, and 50mm VIPER. It's a little too windy to fly, but that's never stopped me. Well, the wind is really rocking this plane.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
What a fun little jet. Look, she's crabbing left for that wind.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
She's slope soaring. Well, I can see her against that dark, ominous cloud there. That's for sure. Look at me reaching for the imaginary rudder there. That was fun. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, that was fun. Pop the canopy, but that was fun. All right, folks, thanks for watching this Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.